All right, let's head to another market now. It's the crypto market, and see what the numbers are telling us about investors' behavior, action, and reaction. We should have those numbers on the screen in a couple of seconds. There you have it at Fear Greed Index for today compared to Friday. We do have it at 25. That's the number there. This looks better than what we had on Friday at 25. Even though it's still extreme fear, so it means that sentiments are still within that the red zone. We see there. Let's see the market cap for the market. We noted that on Friday, the market cap went back to the $1 trillion. I think it was celebrating, and we've sustained that at least up till today. That's heartwarming, 0.64% up at $1.06 trillion. That's the market cap. Well, there was a time we used to have about more than 2 trillion here. 24-hour volume is at $75.87 billion. It's up 9.18%. In 24 hours. BTC dominance is also positive, but yet to hit that 40%, it's still at 39.55 of 0.46%. If we see top alts by market cap at this time, and if we see top alts by market cap, we do have more reds than green. Top alts by market cap, BNB is up 0.21%. Cardano is down in 24 hours, 0.46%. And it's the Costner is about 0.51. Doge is also down in the red, 0.31%. XRP also down more than 1%. The price of Bitcoin for this morning at about 8 a.m. about 22,000. I was following this over the weekend, and at least see it cross over that 20,000. We don't know if this is going to be sustained, but for this morning at about 8 a.m. it was up 2.15% at 22,036.2. So we have Gilbert Jopata now joining us for a conversation. Hi, Gilbert. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning, Mrs. Ine.
Thanks. So we saw the price of Bitcoin went from 20 to 21 and is holding on to this 22. Do you see it going back to below 20?
Okay, our last move from the 25K down to 18 was a bleed out, which in most cases always follow with a pop-up rally like this one we are experiencing. But if you look at what's happening in the market, we are looking for a bottom, but our likelihood of going below 20 will depend highly on dollar strength. If we have a sustained period of dollar weakness, then I think likelihood of going below 20 wouldn't play. But if dollar weakness continue, then we may have to stay above the 20K for September and October.
So do you think that the 0.75% hike in interest rate, which the Fed is supposed to implement, do you think that will empower the dollar more, or has it already been priced in? Because that could empower the dollar more. Then, of course, we'll see the opposite in the crypto space.
The other way round, because that can actually have a significant effect on the economy, which is healthy for the stock market. And it's no longer news. The cryptocurrency market is quite correlated to the tech stock market. So this is actually a great time for long-term investors in the cryptocurrency market if you are looking at the reward dynamics, because the market is actually looking for a bottom. The earning report of the four tech stock horsemen, which is Amazon, Google, Meta, and Microsoft, is healthy. And we know these are leading indicators. So also is gas price. Gas price is down. Gas price is also a leading indicator of what is to happen in the economy. So if this leading indicators is already showing us strength, fundamental strength, so also is the cryptocurrency market. I think investors should be more positioned in the big names, because the big names that led us into the bear market will also be these big names that will lead us out of the bear market.
It's their responsibility, Gilbert. I agree with you. If they put us in the red, they should get us out. Oh, thank you so much for your insight this morning, Gilbert Jopata, for sharing your thoughts with us. Enjoy the rest of your day.
And you too.